Hello students, metals and non-metals chapter. We are going to study about chemical properties of metals. First property is reaction of metals with oxygen. Here reaction of metal with oxygen. In a word equation, metal on reaction with oxygen forms metal oxide. One example is given up here. Aluminium on reaction with oxygen upon heating form aluminium oxide. Copper on reaction with oxygen form copper oxide, which is black color material. Now amphoteric oxide. Some metallic oxides act as amphoteric oxides. These are aluminium oxide and zinc oxide. They both are showing acidic as well as basic property or behave like acid as well as base. Here you can see one example which is given here. Aluminium oxide, which on reaction with hydrochloric acid forms aluminium chloride AlCl3 and water. Another example is aluminium oxide on reaction with sodium hydroxide forms sodium aluminate NaAlO2 plus water. So here both the reactions showing the basic as well as acidic behavior of aluminium oxide. Now another thing, metallic oxides which are insoluble in water, but some of these dissolve in water to form hydroxide. It means not all metallic oxide are insoluble in water. Some metallic oxide are soluble in water, can dissolve in water, and these are called alkali. Alkalis are bases that dissolve in water. For example, sodium oxide, which is a metallic oxide, on reaction with water forms sodium hydroxide, which is alkali. Here you can see alkali. And potassium oxide on reaction with water form potassium hydroxide, which is basically alkali because it dissolves in water. This is about the alkali nature of metallic oxides. Now order of reactivity. Order of reactivity of metals with oxygen. You can see here sodium and magnesium, zinc, iron and copper, silver. These are arranged here on the basis of their reactivity. Sodium is highly reactive, magnesium is less reactive than sodium, then zinc, then iron, then copper, then silver. This is about the reactivity. It is decreasing as we are moving from sodium to silver. Now next thing, sodium and potassium catches fire in air. If you kept them in open, then they will catch fire. To prevent these metals from catching fire and avoid a accident, these are kept in or immersed in kerosene oil. Next, magnesium burns in air by heating. If you kept magnesium in air, it burns by heating. Another example, zinc burns only on strong heating, while iron does not burn in the form of rod or block but burns in the form of fillings. Now copper does not burn on heating but blister copper burns. Silver and gold do not react with oxygen. So silver and gold metals, these are metals which do not react with oxygen. That's why they are used in jewelry making and for other ornament purposes. So these are about the reactivity of metals with oxygen. In next class we will study about the next property of metal. Thank you. Share and subscribe.